how to mimic a dragon. Hello, dear viewers. We invite you to an incredible adventure today. We've pushed the boundaries of papercraft mastery and delved into the creation of a dragon figurine. We are here to share this artistic masterpiece building process with you. Are you ready for an adventure filled with art? If you want to dive into the magical world of making a paper dragon, you're in the right place. Throughout this video, we'll explore step-by-step how it's done, tips and tricks, and the intricacies of paper art. But remember, this is just the beginning. Get ready to become a true dragon master, creating a fire-breathing paper. Dragon, we're using colored papers in our creativity to bring the dragon figurine to life. An exciting array of details and a burst of color await you, so don't close your eyes. Subscribe and don't forget to like. If you love videos filled with paper art, handicrafts, and creativity, subscribe now and don't forget to turn on notifications. Also be sure to hit the like button so you stay informed about similar content and we can embark on more projects with your support. Welcome to the magical world of paper art. If you're ready, we invite you to the enchanting world of our paper dragon. Grab your paper and scissors, unleash your creativity with us, and join this art-filled adventure. Slow, are you ready for a legendary journey? Today, we embark on an exploration into the depths of dragons. Before we dive in, let's take a look at the origins of these mythical beings. Mythological origins of dragons. The history of dragons dates back to various cultures, from China to Europe. In Chinese mythology, dragons are often considered benevolent beings that bring rain and control agriculture. In contrast, European mythologies depict dragons as dangerous creatures guarding wealth, kidnapping princesses, or wreaking havoc on villages. Philosophical depths. Symbolism of dragons. Dragons are not only intriguing mythologically, but also offer philosophical insights. Attributed to concepts of power, wisdom, and danger, these creatures can represent internal human conflicts and the complexities of nature. The philosophical meaning of dragons, intertwined with power, ambition, and peril, illustrates the depth these beings hold in human thought. Dragons in art and literature. Dragons have left a significant impact not only in myths, but also in art and literature. From the Renaissance to the present, painters and writers have included dragons in their works, imprinting these creatures in human history. Characters like Smaug or the Game of Thrones dragons showcase the evolutionary journey of these mythical beings in popular culture. Dragons in literature, cinema, and games. In literature, heroes showcase their strengths by confronting dragons. In cinema and video games, dragons are an indispensable part of epic stories. These creatures provide audiences and players with powerful symbolism, encompassing courage, strategy, and resilience. Modern dragons, reinterpretations. Today, authors and artists continue to surprise fans by reinterpreting dragons in a modern context. In science fiction, fantasy, and horror genres, these legendary creatures remain essential figures, stimulating our imagination and desire for exploration. Conclusion. The magical presence of dragons. Throughout this video, we'll explore dragons from their origins to philosophical meanings, from art to popular culture. Join us on this magical journey as we unravel the mysteries in the depths of dragons and step into the enchanting world of these mythical beings. Embarking on this magical dragon journey together and diving into this fantastical realm was truly incredible. However, every magical adventure must come to an end, and now it's time to bid farewell to the mystical world of dragons. First and foremost, infinite thanks for watching this video and supporting us. Exploring the legendary world of dragons with you has been an amazing experience. We are grateful for the opportunity to share this unforgettable adventure with you. The enchanting world of dragons extends beyond just one video. This is merely the beginning of endless discoveries and continued learning. It has been a pleasure and an inspiration to delve into the examination and sharing of these unique creatures with you. If you enjoyed this adventure and want to embark on more mythical explorations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We are eagerly looking forward to venturing into new myths, artworks, and magical worlds together. Your thoughts and comments contribute to the growth and development of this community. Feel free to share your reflections on dragons and your memories of this journey with us. Thank you once again for joining us in the magical world of dragons. Until we meet again in other enchanting adventures, for now, take care. May the magic of art and myths be with you, enchanting world of these mythical beings.